Right, so we've got a new tensioner on, we've got the pin out it, right, it does seem tighter to me, like, definitely, so we'll start it up, just make sure everything's on okay, right, so everything looks to be okay, so let's see how she goes, hopefully this time better, hopefully, just, that's it, all good now, should be. So far so good anyway. Certainly seems a bit better. So I had just got one of these wee pipes off here which control your turbo. So down the back there's your hole for your timing pin, and there's another one up in the cam. So, well, it's just unfortunate, but obviously it's not made a noise so far, so